everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're going to do some Christmas ornaments and I've got some balls. If there's shouting in the background, it's football Sunday and my husband is watching. So I have super fine glitter. I've got some green, some pink, some blue and some silver. I have some Elmer's glue all mixed with water here. This one I've already tipped in and it's dripping out. And the reason I'm using Elmer's glue and it's really mixed well is because it dries clear. So I'm going to put some in here and I'm just gonna use a glove to cover the hole and swirl all of this around. And it also helps because it is really thin. To get good coverage. There's one little spot. Okay, there's one little tiny little spot. Right. And stand that back in the cup. And do the next one. So I'm going to fast forward now while these completely stop dripping and then we'll put the glitter in. Okay, the glue has stopped dripping. I have a glass of wine. Let's do the green. Actually, I'm going to just get some paper towel. Christmas, Santa baby. Okay, I've got a spout on here. Last time I was playing with glitter, I got it all over my dog. Give this a good shake. Need more. I might adjust the camera up a bit actually. There we go. Oops. The good thing about doing them this way is that they're done from the inside out and they're all shiny. And sparkly. And perfect. And ready to go, basically. Now, I don't know what that glitter is going to be like. If it's worth saving. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Anyway, that's all covered. You can see it's all glittery. I'm going to save the glitter I have left in here. Put that back. I guess you could use the chunkier glitter too, but I'm guessing you would have to do a few layers. Super fine glitter is just really easy to stick. Now let's see what comes out. Yeah, it's a bit, oh, I guess it's okay. And then you can put your hanging debris on. Come on, Jules. Get a grip. Oh, there's one little thingy that's not going in. Oh, they're quite springy. In you go. There. And there you have your ornament. That's one. Perfecto. I guess I'm going to save that. Because, I don't know, I remember when I was a wee bairn, glitter was cheap. It's not cheap these days. So there's one. Perfect. Easy peasy. Pudding and squeezy. Now the pink one. Let's wipe the top. Move that. And give it a shake. Some glue on the outside. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. So you do have to shake them quite a bit. That's the most work this project takes, is the shaking. I'm going to add a bit more glitter. Where's my pink? Super fine. Ooh, actually, just had a thought. It'd be nice to add two colours, like blue and pink, or silver and gold. I'm going to add all the glitter back to its vessels off camera. I just wanted to see how gloopy it was, and it actually wasn't, so that's good. So that's the pink one. Oh, there's my penny. Let's get some glitter on her. Just kidding. So that's the pink one. Finished. And blue. I always decorate my tree in blue and white and silver. And I've got other boxes of red and gold, and let my kids pick out what they want for their trees and their apartments. That's the football on in the background. Okay, that's the blue one. These are really sparkly. I don't even know if you can see the glitter in this light. You can see my hand's got glitter on it. They are as sparkly as my hand. That needs a bit more shaking. And you know the other thing that would be really nice, I haven't got any here, but to tie like a really pretty bow around the top. There's my ribbons. Okay, and there you have your own homemade Christmas ornaments. I'll bring you in for a close look and hopefully you can see how glittery and sparkly they are with their pretty ribbons hanging on the tree. Thanks for watching and see you next time.